Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Siti Anjelina, and I made this video to complete my mid-test for subject course cultural understanding. Well, in this video, I would like to explain my PowerPoint, and I have to answer three questions, and I will answer the first question. Number one, in my opinion, why learning culture is so important? State your argument by giving examples. Okay. Well, in my opinion, learning culture is really important because by studying this, I can use culture as my guide in improving myself and change my attitude for the better so that I can challenge in the future and environment around me. I can make culture a learning process because I think culture is very important in covering everything. Whether it is about the way why we have our belief and our attitude so that I am more sensitive to the culture around me. By studying culture, I will become a person who respect and accept every region to our tribe and every country has a different culture. Culture is part of art. Automatically, when you learn culture, you will become a person who live art more. Next, question number two. Why do you think intercultural communication happen? Then explain the challenge of it. Intercultural communication occurs in order to reduce the level of uncertainty, just like when there are two individuals who are communicating, but the two individuals use different language because of different culture. Thus, in this intercultural communication will act as tool to reduce the level uncertainty in the logic and definition of the topic being discussed. In fact, intercultural communication also aims as means of communication effectiveness, so that information conveyed can be understood effectively. It's necessary to have this intercultural communication. Next, question number three. How do you examine the plurality function in English and other language? State your argument by giving examples. Okay. Multicultural and plurality are essentially the reality of life itself, which cannot be avoided and rejected. Because the multiculturals and plurality are natural laws, existence or existences must be recognized by every human being. However, this acknowledgement at the level of reality is not yet complete along with theoretical recognition, and the abstances are still often encountered in the field. The plurality of religion on the one hand and the heterogeneity of social reality adherence of the other hand, not infrequently cause collision class at the level of interpretation of in action level. Consequently or not, conflict then becomes a problem naturally and religion that cannot only be resolved through normative theoretical approach. However, another approach is needed, namely to attitude of social wisdom among interested group and address of understanding all culture. Thank you.